Welcome to my channel. I'm Key. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this pentagon. Start with a magic circle. I'm using 4mm hook. Following, we are going to crochet 5 single crochet in a magic circle, 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, snip stitch to the first stitch to join around, chain 1. For round 2, we are going to crochet 2 double crochets in the same stitch. This is how I crochet the first double crochet. You can use chain 3 instead, or you can crochet like I do. So I just crochet 2 double crochet in the same stitch and chain 2. That's one set. So we are going to repeat the set. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets in the same stitch, chain 2. Please follow the pattern and finish the round. After finishing last chain 2, snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1 and cut off the yarn. We're going to change other color for the next round. For round 3, we are going to crochet 5 double crochets in the chain area. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochets, 5 double crochets, chain 1. We are going to repeat one more time. So make 5 double crochet in the chain area, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochets, chain 1. Please follow the pattern and finish the round. This is how it looks when you finish the round. Snip stitch to join the round, chain 1. For round 4, we are going to crochet 2 double crochets in the first stitch. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets in the same stitch, followed by 1 double crochet from the next stitch, and another double crochet from the next stitch, 1 double crochet from the next stitch, and 5th stitch crochet 2 double crochets in the same stitch and chain 1. That's one set. Let's repeat another set. So 2 double crochets from the first stitch, and for second, third, and fourth stitch, we crochet 1 double crochet for each stitch, and crochet 2 double crochets from the 5th stitch, chain 1. Follow the pattern and finish the round. Snip stitch to join the round, and chain 1. Cut off the yarn because we are using other color for the next round. Insert the hook to the second stitch. Make 1 single crochet. Single crochet from the last stitch. We make 5 single crochets in total here. Yarn over hook 3 times and make front post double treble crochet to the double crochet in second round and chain 5, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over hook 3 times again, make another front post double treble crochet to the last double crochet in second round. So that's one set finished. Following, we are going to repeat the pattern. Make one single crochet from second stitch. So here we skip first stitch and last stitch and make 5 single crochets in total. So 1 single crochet for each stitch. After 5 single crochets, yarn over hook 3 times, make front post double treble crochet to one of the double crochet from second round and chain 5, make a front post double treble crochet to the second double crochet from round 2. Please follow this pattern and finish the round. Slip stitch to join the round, chain 1. Crochet in the chain 5 area, 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, 2 treble crochet, 3 treble crochets, then chain 2 and 1 treble crochet, 2 treble crochets, 3 treble crochets, and 1 double crochet. For these 5 stitches, we skip first and last stitch, make 3 single crochet for 3 stitches. That's one set. Let's repeat the pattern for another time. So make 1 double crochet in the chain space and 3 treble crochets, 1 treble crochet, 2 treble crochets, 3 treble crochets, and chain 2, make another 3 treble crochets, 2 treble crochets, 3 treble crochets, and 1 double crochet after 3 treble crochets. Those are all crochet in the chain 5 space. Make 3 single crochet for the middle 3 stitches. Skip first and last stitch. Please follow this pattern and finish the round. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1 and cut off the yarn, because we're going to use back to pink color for the next round. Insert the hook to the second stitch, make a double crochet, chain 2, make a double crochet for the next stitch, chain 2, double crochet for the next stitch and chain 2. In the chain 2 area, make a 1, 2 double crochet bubble, chain 2, and double crochet for the following stitch, chain 2, double crochet for the following stitch, chain 2, another double crochet for the next stitch, chain 2. Yarn over hook twice, make a front post treble crochet bubble here, This bauble made of 2 treble crochets. Crochet 1 single crochet to the middle stitch. Make 1 front post treble crochet bauble, 2 unfinished treble crochet bauble. Chain 2. Follow the pattern and finish round. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1. We find the chain space behind the petal. Make 1 double crochet. Chain 4. Make 1 single crochet here. The single crochet stitch, chain 4. Repeat this pattern and finish the round. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Crochet 1 double crochet on top of the double crochet stitch. For this chain 4 space, we crochet 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 2. For the last chain 4 space, we crochet 3 double crochet first, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochets, chain 1, and another 1 double crochet. So that's the pattern of this round. Crochet 1 double crochet on top of the double crochet stitch, and crochet 1 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet for chain 4 space, and chain 2, and crochet 3 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet for the last chain 4 space. We are going to repeat the pattern. Crochet 1 double crochet from the double crochet stitch, chain 4 space, we crochet 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3 double crochets, chain 2, and from the last chain 4 space, we crochet 3 double crochets, 2, 3 double crochets, chain 1, and another 1 double crochet from the same chain 4 space. Please follow this pattern and finish the round. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1 and start from the next round. Following, we are going to crochet from this chain 1 space. So we need to snip stitch back to this chain 1 space. So 1 snip stitch, 2 snip stitch. Now we are in this chain 1 space. We need to crochet 3 double crochets in this chain 1 space. So start the first double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochets, chain 1, and the last chain 1 space. We skip all the stitches, we crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 1. Now we are going to crochet 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets in this chain 2 space. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets in the same chain 2 area, we crochet 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. After this, we are going to repeat the pattern. And don't forget, here's the chain 1 after that set. So we're going to crochet 3 double crochets in the chain 1 space, chain 1, another 3 double crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, and in chain 2 space we crochet 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets in the same chain 2 space, 3 double crochets, chain 2 and another 3 double crochets in the same chain space. Please follow this pattern and finish the round. After last chain 1, snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round, chain 1. This round is very easy. Crochet 1 single crochet for each stitch, chain space count as 1 stitch as well. So single crochet on the way, until the corner. So in this chain 2 space, crochet 2 single crochets, chain 2 and 2 single crochets, and the rest of the stitch just make 1 single crochet. Please follow the pattern and finish the round. Snip stitch to join to the first stitch, chain 1. For this round we are going to crochet 3 double crochet first for first 3 stitches. So 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet for the second stitch, 1 double crochet for the third stitch. After 3 double crochets, the last stitch we're going to crochet together with this bobble stitch, pink bobble stitch. So insert the hook into bobble stitch, and the 4th stitch for the gray color. Crochet these 2 stitches together and double crochet for each stitch until the corner. So here we comes to the corner, we crochet 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet in the chain area, following by double crochets for every stitch. The only different thing is you need to collect the petal. I'm going to show you which stitch you connect the petal. So here on back of the petal there's a double crochet, and on top of that is a double crochet stitch, and on top of that is a chain space. There's 1 single crochet in the chain space, and double crochet for the rest of the stitches. So let me show you one more time. On back of the petal there's 1 double crochet, on top of that is double crochet, on top of that is chain space, and there's 1 single crochet in the chain space. So this is the stitch that you need to collect to the pink bobble stitch. Please follow this pattern and finish the round. This is how it looks like after you finish the round. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round, chain 1. This is how to make this crochet pentagon. Please like, share and comment for more free crochet tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you next time.